We just come back from the mountain farmhouse, and they're not all that already, which is good. Yeah, then I have to go this way. Raining here, yeah? Raining?
Little bit.
Little bit, yeah. Oh, rain a lot up there. I thought we sleep up there 2-3 days. Yeah, okay, so
Okay.
it's getting there. Yeah, yeah.
Very good.
Very good. That's good. Okay, good morning. Another day, another dollar. A lot of work to be done today, so let's get into it. I like those fences they're building up there. We'll see later on. I need to replace mine because Carabao's been damaging them. Okay, this drainage, it's almost done. Pity doesn't go flat with this area here, not quite, but maybe it should be alright. We'll see how we go. And then here we need to put a bit of a concrete here, just to make sure when the water comes out, drop in there. And then we need to organize all this area so we can walk safely through. Okay, I need to make something to block access to the gas bottle because Bella always have tendency to pull that hose. It's too dangerous, and she play with the small valve at the top there. She's so smart. So let's do that. I was thinking maybe using this for the frame of the door, but it's too thick, and I can do some valuable piece of furniture with this timber. So instead we're going to use that, and plus we'll have the bamboo across, which is hold all together, and that will be enough. I think it'll be strong enough. In the meantime, I'm going through the drainage on the back of the house. He heard me. Okay, I hope you like my new cat. Now, I must wear a hat now. Okay, let's go back with this. Okay, just what it dries. This is my first prototype. If it works, then I'll do all the same. If not, I'll review it. So let's try it at least. Okay, well, it's dry. Let's go outside and see how things going with the drains. Okay, so I'd like him to do that this morning before even we finish that, because that's going to be functional. We're going to have water going through there. That's okay. And we want to have something here also where the water run down. Then we do the finishing touch after. Now apparently there's a lot of ants, so I'm going to get some diesel and see if I can cut the trial there. We'll see what happens. Yeah, on this side there's not much water coming in. We've been keeping an eye, not much at all. So we're just gonna make a little gully with cement. That's it. Yeah, we do this all the way down up there. That's it. Keep the water away from the house foundation. Hello. It's hot. Iced tea?
Berries.
Huh?
Berry flavor. Nice. You like?
Nice. Yeah, it's looking good.
Very nice.
Oh, okay. This is from the spinach family apparently. So we're gonna eat that.
Alugbati.
Salad or something. I don't know. So according to the Google, according to the Google identifier, you take a photo of the plant, it tell you what it is. It's a Chinese spinach. So you gave me JJ to me.
Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
She's so dirty.
Hello.
Putting the chocolate cream.
She was so happy.
Clothes.
It's getting much too hot to work. I just stopped.
She said you can play JJ.
Oh, this is my JJ.
Bella, look, JJ, Daddy.
Daddy got JJ. Oh, might be so much fun.
JJ.
Look, JJ.
Say hi to them.
Okay, you do live stream this Sunday, my love. Yeah.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Hello.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. See?
So cute.
Oh, look, JJ.
Oh, there's a rooster there. You scared the rooster, my love? Don't want a chicken to walk on that. That should be right. Still have to have some kind of drain here as well. Fill all this area with dirt. You don't live here. One better than none.
Through the window.
Ah, you see something there, my love?
Tree.
Ah, it's rooster.
Coconut? Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's working nicely. It's been raining a lot, but calm down now a little bit. Yeah, like I suspect, there's not much water going through here. So that's enough what I've done there. That'll do the job. It was so hot before, so hot, so hot. So rain is really welcome, cool things down. Okay, this door is finished, just have to varnish again. Let's see how we're going with the drain outside. That's better, yes. Same level as the ground. Very good. That will look better once we fill everything on either side. It's good. What are you gonna make? Don't know. Oh yeah, good checking. Oh, is this the Filipino vegetable?
Soup. We're gonna put
Spinach from our garden. Good. That's nice.
and more.
Very good.
More leafy vegetables.
That's a nice view from here. Okay, one finish. I think it would be nice to make all the doors like that under the kitchen bench. But it's a lot of work. It's very demanding. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.